The question of what
you have to apologize. You can't call the 3 counties of Garissa, Wajir, Mandera, Jeff, Somali region. Somali region is in Ethiopia.
Very good point. It's a very good point. You know, yes.
Yes, that's why
you made a good, and we stand corrected.
Why not Somali region?
Why are you not saying Kikuyu region?
We say Mount Kenya.
Mountain is different from. I'm talking about Kikuyu is equivalent to Somali.
He had something to say about one of our tags the other day.
You did, huh?
Yeah, on the census, Garissa.
Yes.
Yeah.
We have to ask him.
The question of what
you have to apologize before you ask.
We'll come back with that. We'll come back with that. Yeah.
You saw my tweet.
I saw your
you
tweet.
can't call the 3 counties of Garissa, Wajir, Mandera, Jeff, Somali region. Somali region is in Ethiopia.
Very good point. It's a very good point. You know, yes.
Yes, that's why
you made a good, and we stand corrected. We're not perfect.
You must also follow your. I mean, you have got very good audience in Northern
Indeed.
Kenya.
Do we transition? You had demanded an apology.
Yeah. Talking about northeastern.
The fresh census that's supposed to happen in Garissa, Wajir.
Mandera,
so there are those who are asking, we say Luo Nyanza all the time, the Gusii region. Why not Somali region?
Why are you not saying Kikuyu region?
We say Mount Kenya.
Mountain is different from. I'm talking about Kikuyu is equivalent to Somali. You know.
When you say Murema, it's not like Murema.
Okay, I mean I have a lot of respect for royal media. I protested through a tweet, and I think that's enough. And I think there are many people who saw it.